Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to create a real estate landing page in System.io quickly and easily. First, log into your System.io account. From the dashboard, click on Funnels. Now click Create to create a new funnel. Give your funnel a name, Real Estate Landing Page, choose Build an Audience or Sell, and click Create. Next, open the landing page step and click Edit Page. Choose a modern template that's suitable for showcasing properties or generating buyer and seller leads. Replace the headline with something like, "Find your dream home today" or "Get a free home valuation." Update the page content with details about your real estate services, featured properties, local expertise, and customer testimonials. Replace the placeholder images with high-quality property photos or your real estate branding. Customize the call to action button with text like, "Schedule a viewing," "Get started," or "Contact an agent." Edit the form to collect the visitor's name, email, phone number, and any property preferences if needed. Once you're happy with the design, click Save Changes. Preview the page to make sure everything looks perfect on desktop and mobile devices. That's it. You've successfully created a real estate landing page in System.io. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out the channel for more quick System.io tutorials, software guides, and online business tips.